Ford's placed a lot of trust in me, not only that I could figure out how to build the frame, but also that I could incorporate this perfect walls concept into a log framed structure. Something I've certainly never done before and I haven't seen anybody else do. Seemed like it should be pretty simple, but we had to make some innovations or modifications for the way we were doing it. Basically, there's the log frame, and then we wrap the building in 1 inch of rough cut pine, which Ford planed on one side. And then the framing, to add structure and stiffness to those walls, was external to that sheathing. So it's almost like the frame is on the outside of the building. And was accomplished with these 2x4s laid flat, which I wasn't sure would be rigid enough, but they seem to, rough cut 2x4s, hemlock, they seem to be plenty rigid enough. A little while on in the video, I've got a sketch I'll put in here that details the different layers of the wall, and I think that'll make it easier to see how it all goes together. But I'll try to describe it a little bit here. Essentially, there's the log frame, which you've seen us build, the wrap of wood around the log frame, the wrap of Typar around that to make an airtight membrane, and then wrap of insulation, foam insulation, which will be continuous from the under the slab all the way up the walls and over the roof with no breaks, no thermal bridging through structural members. I'm good here. I think we should go up. No, I think what needs to happen is, wow, look at that. Yeah. I think, yeah, I think I should squeeze it right here. Mm-hmm. And then like we did before, we should screw something on the inside where you won't see it because of the window trim to hold those all tightly compressed together. Mm-hmm. Before we, before we. Wait, but isn't that just going to come apart when we take the trim off? Well, I think actually, when we get more wood stacked above it, it'll tend to hold it. I don't know. I don't actually know. But I definitely think it ought to be smoothed down a bit. All right, I think I'm going to screw a block and pry it with the crowbar here just to accordion. We'll just leave that on there as long as we can. I'm going to screw the block on there and pry it to keep up. Or maybe you can pry on this. That. Hold on. All right, take it. I must have brought that down half an inch. That's the same thing over here. Yeah. Yes. I don't know. Are you tight there? No. Okay. Let me bring the block over. other way. So you, yeah. Just give me about, yeah, probably a little bit less than that. Okay, another 10-foot 1 inch. Yeah. Stick. So I'm going to make a measurement and write it on this window, so where we'll be able to see it. For how, so we know where this horizontal goes, so it hits into this beam. Basically 96 minus 4, so basically 92. 92. We'll be on there. Here's the drawing of the detail of how the wall is going to go together, or how we hope the wall is going to go together. Sometimes we have to pull out the phone and refer to the drawing while we're on the job site because we can't remember. It's kind of complicated. But it really, it's just all the little pieces are complicated. The concept isn't that complicated. You just want to make sure that all the water always has a way to go up or down and out, and that no bugs and insects can get in, and that there's a continuous wrap of foam all the way around the building. And you can see here in this drawing of the wall how the siding will go on and leave a gap behind the siding, same way we did on the roof, a gap to allow any moisture that gets through there to migrate out. That's better. That's much better.
Oh yeah, I didn't even take enough, but whatever.
You want to take more off?
No. Yeah. Cocksucker. Wonder why it's rotten.
Yeah. You got a measure? You got everything you need?
Maybe we should just start making these soffit vents and selling them.
We get a bunch of a demand for that, unfortunately. They did come out pretty cool, though. It'd be interesting if I fall off this ladder. Yeah, don't do that.
Easy. See back here, you're kind of caught where this. It's gotta go like, yeah, try that. Oh yeah, compression fit.
It's the only way to go. Hold on a second.
Are you all the way down?
I'm not sure. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Okay, screw it. How's it going?
Pretty good. Started listening to Lonesome Dove again.
On audiobooks?
Yeah.
Nice.
Better than nothing. A little bit worried about,
Yep.
which there's really no way around it other than pulling the roof. I can't tell how deep that foam penetrated up in there. Like I stuffed the nozzle of the gun up in there and let it fucking and spray right out. But I don't know if that's sealing the 1 to the 3. I'm not sure that it totally matters because it's definitely sealing the 3 to the sheathing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, I think as long as you've got a continuous
Like
foam.
nothing's going up. I just don't know about stuff coming in from the top, like just air. I mean, cold air. But even then, the cold air is gonna hit.
Foam.
It's gonna hit foam, but it's gonna hit foam that I'm not sure is sealed by spray foam. Strip. Try and get one.
Oh, start working on that the bottom area?
Well, yeah, I'm just thinking because I'm ready to do my second layer of insulation now, pretty
Yep.
much the whole way around. And so
Yep, okay.
I kind of need to get that down so I can stagger that seam.
Yep. I can't remember what we needed to do that.
I think we have. I got the PT plywood. I got the PT, a 1.5 inch foam.
It's that drip edge. It's how to integrate that drip edge into there
Yeah,
somehow.
we
We're
were
gonna use the zip tape.
Yeah.
I think that's the best idea, actually.